morning, all of you. Hydroxy compounds, alcohols. Preparation of ethers. In which now we are going to discuss about intermolecular dehydration of alcohols. Intermolecular dehydration of alcohol. Two molecules of similar alcohols. 2 carbon alcohol, ethyl alcohol or ethanol. CH3, CH2, OH, 2 carbon eth, carbon single bond in OH all plus another one molecule of ethanol HO, CH2, CH3. When treated in the presence of dehydrating agent, concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4 and when heated to 413 Kelvin. If we use 443 Kelvin, it undergo intramolecular dehydration gives alkene. At 413 gives it undergo intermolecular dehydration. Between the molecule water is removed. H plus OH minus removed as H2O and this carbon plus is added to O minus gives diethyl ether. What is the molecular formula? The product CH3, CH2, O, this minus is added to this plus CH2 and CH3 plus loss of H2O molecule. What is the name of this compound? Common name we can write, this is one ethyl, that is also ethyl. Therefore, diethyl ether is the common name. Diethyl ether is the common name. For IUPAC name, we have to add this oxygen atom to any one of the alkyl group which containing lesser number of carbon atom. Here both the alkyl group containing same number of carbon atom, so we can add it with any one alkyl group. 2 carbon eth, carbon single bond in ethane. Here the prefix is 2 carbon eth, oxygen oxy, ethoxy ethane. Ethoxy ethane is the IUPAC name of diethyl ether. And remember, this method is used in the preparation of simple ethers and not suitable for preparation of mixed ether. If a mixture of 2 different alcohols is used, mixture of different ethers will be formed and they are difficult to separate. We cannot easily separate the 2 ether mixture. Therefore, this method is mainly used to prepare simple ether. You know what is meant by simple ether? Number of carbon atom on either side of the ether functional group is same, ethyl, ethyl. Now, we are going to discuss the mechanism of this reaction. Mechanism of intermolecular dehydration reaction. One molecule of ethanol CH3, CH2OH. Oxygen has 2 pair of electron. When treated with corn sulfuric acid HOSO3H. Sulfuric acid undergo ionization gives H plus bisulfate minus. Now what happens? Oxygen donate a pair of electron to H plus. Thereby a new bond is formed between oxygen and hydrogen. CH3, CH2, oxygen, here one hydrogen, there is one pair of electron. Another pair of electron is donated to hydrogen. Therefore, oxygen get positively charged. Minus bisulfate ion HSO4 minus. Which when treated with another molecule of sulfuric acid, not sulfuric acid, ethyl alcohol, oxygen, hydrogen, CH2, CH3, second molecule of ethyl alcohol. We know whenever oxygen donate a pair of electron, it remove a pair of electron from nearby bond. Carbon lose its electron, therefore charge on carbon becomes plus. Like the first reaction, oxygen donate a pair of electron to positively charged carbon. In this step, which is removed, water molecule is removed. Oxygen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Already it has one pair of electron, it remove another pair of electron from the nearby bond. Now this minus is added to carbon plus gives CH3, CH2. A new bond is formed between carbon and oxygen, one hydrogen, one pair of electron, and there is one positive charge in another ethyl, CH2, CH3. Now, to remove the H plus from this intermediate compound, water molecule is added, H, O, H. Oxygen has two pair of electron. Whenever oxygen donate a pair of electron, in the next step it remove a pair of electron from the nearby bond. Hydrogen is removed as H plus ion, a proton. Now this plus is abstracted by water molecule. Oxygen donate a pair of electron, hydronium ion is formed. H3O plus ion is formed. Our ether is obtained, CH3, CH2, oxygen, there are two pair of electrons, CH2, CH3. Diethyl ether or ethoxyethane, this is one of the method of preparation of simple ether. Now we are going to discuss another one preparation of mixed ether. Mixed ether. Methylation of alcohol. Another one method of preparation of diethyl ether. Methylation of alcohol. Methyl ethers can be prepared by this method. Ethyl alcohol, ethanol, CH3, CH2OH. When treated with a new compound, methane molecular formula we know, CH4. If two hydrogen atom of methane are replaced by two nitrogen, two hydrogen atom of methane is replaced by two nitrogen, we will get diazomethane, CH2N2. This is your diazomethane. Azo indicate nitrogen, two nitrogen, diazo. The first name given to this N is azoti, azoti, that azo. Two carbon eth, carbon carbon single bond N, ethane, OH, all ethanol. The reaction carried out in the presence of fluoroboric acid. Fluoroboric acid. What happens? H plus from ethyl alcohol is added to carbon. Now carbon becomes methyl CH3. Then that carbon is added to oxygen. Gives CH3, CH2, O, CH3. A mixed ether is obtained with the liberation of N2 in gaseous state. What is the common name? Left hand side we have one ethyl, there methyl. According to alphabetical order, E is first. Ethyl, M, methyl, ether. Ethyl, methyl, ether. Or add oxygen atom to an alkyl group which containing lesser number of carbon atom. Two carbon eth, single bond N, ethane. One carbon meth, oxy, methoxy. Methoxyethane. Methoxyethane. Okay, in this video we discussed two methods of preparation of ether. One is simple ether, another one is a mixed ether. In the next video we are going to discuss the preparation of ether by Williamson ether synthesis. along with the mechanism. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.